Hi, in this video we're going to cover searching in the IT portal. So we have the search bar up top, and if we click here, we can start to type in a query. So once you type in some letters, you're going to get this pop-up. So we have a few things we can do here. First of all, we see the results of our search. We see all types tab, so it's going to show all the different object types in a single tab here. But we can also filter by certain types. So we have a vertex configuration and a vertex device. We also can do this. We can toggle here for filtration to filter by a certain type, or we go back to all types. We can also toggle this to crawl search. The way the crawl search works is if you have it set up for on-premise users, you need to set up your indexing. For cloud, this is automatically done. But the way it works is it looks for fields that normally would not be captured by a quick search. For example, if I go to this VMware agreement, I have this information in the notes field, in the notes editor. So with the crawl search, it's going to pick up a lot of information that the quick search would not. So if I go to search for that serial number, that account number that was in the message, I'll get no results on a quick search. But if I go to crawl search, it's going to find it. Okay. Other than that, you can toggle between quick and crawl. You can toggle between company and all companies. We have a feature where if you go to toggle all companies, it's going to remember that you want to see all companies. Certain users like to bounce from one company to the other, so they don't like to be drilled down into an individual company. So I may search for an object at handover and pull it up, and then I might search for an object at another company and open it. See, it's at a different company's location. If it's set up where the company itself is selected, it's going to do that every time. It's going to filter based on the company that you have open. So you see I have my MSP Inc. open right now as my company. So if I go and search for something, it's only going to show results under that company. Okay? If you have any questions about this, please reach out to us at support@siportal.com. Thank you.